Before we add a recipe to Glazy, we'll need to have an inventory of materials. To view your material inventory, go to your home page. Then select Materials Inventory. The Materials Inventory page shows you a list of all of the materials that you can use to create recipes. When you create a new account, Glazy will automatically add a few default materials for you. However, these might not be enough. To find extra materials to add to your inventory, click the Materials tab and then search for a material you're looking for. Let's say I want to add this Glomax kaolin to my materials inventory list. I click the material and then go down to Add to Inventory. Now it has been added to my inventory, as you see here by this button, and I can use it to create a recipe.